Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you can't cast Prime Video to your TV, device not found, won't connect, or playback fails, it usually means there is a network, device, or app issue interrupting casting. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix casting not working on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and effective. So you have to know that casting requires same Wi-Fi plus compatible devices. It works via your phone, tablet, and TV together. Most issues are simple connection problems, so focus on network and device sync. Okay, so first thing, connect to the same Wi-Fi network. So ensure your phone, tablet, and TV casting device are on the same Wi-Fi. Avoid guest or separate networks. Okay, so it's required for device detection. Restart all devices. So restart your phone, restart your TV or casting device like Chromecast or Smart TV, and restart your router. This fixes most casting issues. Okay, otherwise reconnect to the casting device, like open Prime Video, tap the cast icon, and select TV again. Okay, so this refreshes connection. Okay, you can also check internet stability, like ensure strong Wi-Fi signal, move closer to the router if needed, because weak connection means failed casting. Okay, updates the application, like updates Prime Video on your phone. Okay, go to your app store, search or look for Prime Video, and update the application if it's not updated. Okay, so this fixes compatibility issues. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.